Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest simple and beautiful puja unit design ideas for 2024. So friends, according to the Vastu for puja rooms or puja units, each direction is a suggested for position of the puja temples. Its significance represents something special, which is why is the position of the puja temples is the most important part of the Vastu for the puja temples. Northeast is considered the best puja rooms and puja temples directions, as it's considered the zone of Lord Shiva and hence, and the most auspicious. This is followed by either east or north. Vastu for puja temples facing the south is considered the inauspicious. And what to avoid while making mandir at your house? Avoid to the toilets near the mandirs at your house. Any items, showpiece ideals of according to the Vastu for puja temples. Each direction that is suggested for the position of the puja temples, its significance that represents something special, and which is why the position of the puja temples is most important part of the Vastu for the puja temples. Northeast is considered the best for puja temple directions, has it considered the zone of Lord Shiva and hence, and is the most auspicious. This is followed by either east or north. Vastu for puja rooms or puja temples facing the south is considered inauspicious. Refrain from position your puja temples under the stairs or near the washrooms, as these places are considered inauspicious for puja temples. Ensure the puja temple is not placed on the ground floor or higher floor as they are not considered the best place for the room according to the Vastu. The doors or windows of the puja temples should open towards the north or east. In the puja temples, pyramid shaped ceilings is recommended for positive vibrations according to the puja room or puja temples. Puja temples is Vastu for east facing houses. Suggested Puja temples is Vastu for east facing houses is suggested the puja units. It's either be north or east corner. The ideals in the puja room or puja temple should not be facing each other. One should not be close on the wall. According to the Vastu for puja units, the ideals should be placed in the northeast directions. Ensure that all the ideals face is one direction and you're not facing the door. The ideals should not be resting the walls to the ensure enough airflow around them. The ideals should be placed at least 6 inches away from the ground, as recommended by the tips for Vastu for puja temples, and refrain from putting pictures of decayed of images depicting violence in the room. Refrain from putting and ensuring that structure of ideals are not cheap or broken. The position of lamps should be in the southeast directions. Light colors are the best for puja, temples or rooms as they radiate positive vibrations, are ideal for worshipping and praying. Cream colors is ideal color for the puja rooms and colors like light blue, white and light yellow. It's create calm and meditative environment for puja rooms or puja temples is the northeast directions is the best. It's important to have least one window in the puja room to keep the room as well to the during the day. This allows the positive energy and vibrant of the sun flow freely as for the vastu for the puja rooms or puja units. Ensure that the room is well lit even after sunset and insert the light in the puja room or puja temples. Push lamps to the ensure adequate illumination. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest simple and beautiful puja mandir design ideas for 2024. So friends,